Is love so fragile and the heart so hollow, shattered with words impossible to follow? You're saying I'm fragile. I try not to be. I search only for something I can't see. But I get this feeling when you walked into my house that you won't be walking out the door. Still I carry this feeling when you walk into my house that you won't be walking out the door. Lovers forever, face to face. My city or mountain, stay with me, stay. I need you to love me, I need you today. Give to me your leather, take from me my